8 reasons why brick is best for your house. Bricks are resilient. Bricks are weather and age-proof, able to withstand even the harshest conditions, from severe marine environments and cyclones to wildfire-prone areas. Bricks are also termite-resistant because termites can't eat bricks. If you build a full brick home with a steel roof frame on a concrete slab, your home will be termite-resistant for all structural elements. Bricks are maintenance-free. They do not require any painting, coating, or varnishing to maintain their aesthetics and durability, unlike other building materials. Long-lasting brick is completely weatherproof, even in extreme conditions such as storms, and because bricks do not contain plant matter, they are resistant to pests and won't decay in hot or humid conditions. Bricks are fireproof. Bricks are non-combustible and don't assist the spread of fire, making them ideal for building in wildfire-prone areas. Clay bricks normally don't suffer any structural damage after a fire and can be reused even as load-bearing walls. Bricks alone don't fireproof a building but are not like timber and plastic, which are flammable, and glass that shatters in the heat. Building in brick ensures a strong foundation for protecting your investment. Design flexibility. Bricks come in styles to suit any building project. Time and time again, brick has continued to be a popular building material choice among architects and designers because of its design flexibility, strong structural capabilities, and intricate detailing. Whether you intend to build a contemporary cliff-top retreat, inner-city living, work terrace, school, art gallery, or heritage restoration project, there are bricks to suit any building style. There are now hundreds of brick colors to choose from and many different finishes, from sleek glossy blacks and metallics to rough-hewn rustic bricks with a handcrafted appearance. Noise canceling. Bricks act as a sound barrier. Whether between rooms within a home or from outside noise, brick provides superior sound insulation. So, whether it's the garbage truck outside at 5 a.m. or your teenager's drum kit at 11 p.m., you can enjoy more peace and quiet in your home. Bricks are long-lasting. Once it's built, your brick home remains weatherproof and age-proof, with minimal upkeep. Brick doesn't tire like other man-made materials, giving you both a sound mind and a sound home. Bricks help save energy. Bricks provide human thermal comfort. Bricks are high-density materials, meaning they have an ability to effectively absorb and store heat energy, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Correct use of thermal mass moderates internal temperatures, averaging out day and night temperature extremes, which makes a massive difference to your comfort and reduces energy bills. Brick is a healthy, natural building material. Brick is manufactured from naturally occurring materials and does not emit volatile organic compounds as many lightweight products can. With virtually no emissions and high thermal mass, brick is the right choice for the health-conscious as it caters to those with acute allergies or sensitivity to weather. Not only is brick better for your health, but it's also better for our planet. The shale and clay that bricks are made from are naturally abundant, so brick is an environmentally sensitive option. They can be reused, keeping their original properties and features intact, or even recycled. And, because bricks do not contain harsh chemicals, plastics, or artificial compounds, brick homes are healthy environments to live in. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Laud's channel, How to Make My House.